Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 RLC membership car, which is a Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34. Last year's RLC membership car was this custom Camaro. The last two premium Skylines we saw was one from the LA convention that had the opening hood, and then also the RLC one with also an opening hood. The LA convention one was also the first time we've seen this Skyline with an opening hood. So let's open this car up. Phil Reelman designed this car, and I know Jimmy Lou from Hot Wheels loves this casting. So with this membership car, you also get this button and this patch. These are really cool because you can see the Skyline on the button, then RLC 2020 on the patch. So here's what the card looks like. You can see the purple Skyline and the darker rims. Then it says Club exclusive Nissan Skyline GTR BNR34. Then on the back it has some writing. I'll read that to you guys on the turntable. So let's open this car up. So you can see the opened hood right here, the metallic purple, and the chrome rims. This is the same thing as this Skyline, but I think it looks a lot better in purple and with these chrome rims. Then it says MNP on the license plate, and the backlights are pretty cool, and the huge wing on the back. On the back of the card it says, from the GTR emblem on the black grille to the MNP license plate, the RLC difference is in the details. Like a Spectraflame purple paint job, smoke-tinted windows, 3-point harness belts, a fully opening hood revealing the engine bay with painted engine details, a painted exhaust system, and all of it sitting on 6-spoke gunmetal reel riders. So thank you for joining RLC and welcome to the club. They added a lot of detail on the engine, which makes this car look even better. The detail on the inside of the car also looks amazing with the cool seat belts. Then you can also see all the detailing on the bottom, going from the exhaust system to the tailpipe. Then here's a tailpipe. In my opinion, this is a great car to get when buying an RLC membership. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what you think about this 2020 RLC membership car.